In front of me I've got Honor 50. In this video we'll check if this phone has slow motion feature. In order to check it, let's enter the camera and search for slow motion in More. If slow motion is not here, you can search it on this bar below. Unfortunately, this phone does not have slow motion feature. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.